Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So today I'll finally be showing you guys the 135i. I know I haven't uploaded in a little while. That's because the car was at the paint shop and it took forever to get it back, but we finally got the car back a few days ago. Right now I kind of have all the stuff kind of mocked up on the car, how everything's gonna go. I just want to get a visual of how everything's going to line up and how everything was going to go. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys how everything's looking on the car. I got the hood installed, which I haven't cut a hole in it yet, but we'll do that later on. I got the bumper installed, I got the fenders installed, I got side skirt, bumper, rear carbon diffuser, carbon fiber lip, everything. One thing I haven't really done is going to be the when we do the vinyl wrap on the roof black. That's going to be later on when I have time to do that. But yeah, guys, I don't want to take a whole lot of time of me talking, so I'm gonna go ahead and straight and show you guys how everything is, and then I'll just explain some of the stuff that we're going to be doing in the upcoming weeks and upcoming days. So let's just get straight into it, guys. All right, guys, so the 135i is currently sitting in the garage. It was raining, so I took it inside, but here's how everything looks. You know, there's going to be a little bit of water and whatnot on the paint right now, but yeah, guys, the paint looks great in person. It looks like super reflective right on the video, but it's great. It's in the sun, it pops so much. It looks great. You know, we got this side vent hood with the power dome, and it's got the carbon fiber accents on here. So this looks great. I think it's gonna go good with the car, especially since we have all the carbon fiber stuff. And eventually, like, we're gonna do the carbon fiber roof. But for now, I'm just gonna do a black vinyl wrap on the roof. But I took the tires that I originally had in the rear, I put them in the front, and I had to put a 1-inch spacer to get this fitment. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm just going to calculate my offset, and then I'll be ordering new wheels. Probably going to be some Forger Stars as well, and just so the whole car can match. But this is for the moment being, just to see how everything would kind of line up and whatnot. I haven't installed the headlights yet. I have no headlights on the car currently, but since everything's kind of just mocked up, so, but honestly, it looks great without headlights. I even feel like just doing headlight deletes, since this car is going to be mainly for like drag racing or racing in general. I don't think I'm going to be taking this out in the streets that much, but it's probably not the smartest idea to do. But yeah, and then down here we have the carbon fiber lip, which fits perfectly on the 1M bumper, since it's meant for the 1M bumper. And the gap is like 2 fingers off the floor. So I'm not really sure how I'm even going to drive this car or what I'm going to do. I was thinking of maybe installing air cup suspension in the front so I could clear literally anything. Because like this, I highly even doubt I can get off the driveway. But yeah, if you look at it back, it looks great. And like I said, I think once we do the roof, carbon fiber, or even for now, just vinyl wrapping it, the carbon fiber fenders are going to match a whole lot better. Right now it just looks a little bit odd, but it should look a whole lot better. Then we're also going to black out all the windows, even the windshield. So I'm going to get some pretty dark tint, and that should also kind of make this whole white and black look a whole lot better. And then going to the back, right here where the upper fenders were molded, everything looks great. I still have a few missing clips, and obviously the bolts and whatnot for this on here. Everything's only on there kind of, but yeah, this body came out awesome. There's like, can't even tell that it's not factory. It looks great. Everything flows perfectly. The gas cap area looks great. You can't really tell that, you know, anything was modified in the area. The bumper, even though it was a used bumper, and it had some little flaws here and there, after everything, it looked great. Everything's super smooth. The body line is perfect. Like I said, right here, this bumper was used, so the clips were kind of broken. But I mean, I'll figure out how to get it to, you know, everything hold on perfectly. I don't think I ever showed you guys these, but I do have the black line taillights that I also installed, and I also have a carbon fiber CSL style wing, which I was painting my brother's car, and it was just sitting in the garage. So it got a little bit of a clear coat overspray, which I'm gonna have to wet sand and then buff out for it to look good again. But it is carbon fiber, so that should be fixable. Yeah, guys, and then I'm gonna have to clean up these wheels. These wheels look super dirty, and then the interior is just horrible. I have so much stuff in there, just a lot of parts that I threw in there. It's collected a lot of dirt and whatnot over the time that it's been sitting. So I'm definitely gonna have to clean the interior, but I'll be doing that once I'm installing the Kirky seats. And I also got a new steering wheel, which we're also gonna be installing alongside with the Kirky seats. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully in the upcoming week or so, we can get into it. But yeah, we have a few other stuff we gotta do. We are gonna paint these black, the trim. For some reason, they got painted white when the car got painted, so I'm gonna have those painted black instead. I might be taking the car back to get one or two things retouched or whatnot. So I'm just gonna have those redone once I take the car back. But yeah, right now the engine bay, it's horrible. Everything is super dirty. I took off the hood exit, just kind of unbolted it and let it sit right there so I could put the hood on there. But everything is super dirty. My plan is to probably just take off the engine out again for like the 20th time and just re-clean everything up, and then that way I can I think it would just be easier for me to do the whole new standalone ECU, so I can kind of mock up wires with the engine outside. But I haven't really like figured out exactly what I want to do, but I'll figure it out here in the next day or so as my schedule finally starts freeing up a little bit. I've just had a lot of work and I've been working non-stop, so I haven't really been able to do much with my cars. But yeah, so this is how everything's looking right now, and then soon I'll be able to start doing more installations and whatnot, and finally start taking it out and driving the car, which is something that I've been really wanting to do for a long time, and I really never get to do that. So that'll be pretty exciting, and then I can finally start taking it to meets, hopefully to a few racing events, and then we can also probably do some Mexico runs. So that'll be super exciting stuff coming up. And then another thing I don't think I told you guys was we also got a lot of work done on the E36. If you guys follow me on Instagram or you guys have me on TikTok, you guys probably already seen the transformation that we did on my brother's E36. We covered some of the stuff, the interior stuff that we did, but like I told you guys earlier, I painted the car in the garage. So we painted the whole car again green, and it just looks super good. We installed a few other parts like an M3 bumper, LCW wing, and then we also picked up some M3 mirrors from somebody who was partying out an M3. So that was pretty cool stuff that we installed and painted. So the car looks great right now. I'll show you guys probably that in the next video I upload. We're going to be going over my brother's E36 and what we've done to that car. So yeah, guys, I think that's really about to be it for today. I really don't want to take a whole lot of your time. I just wanted to show you guys how everything's looking on the 135i and what we've done. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to see more content of this build, go ahead and subscribe if you guys have not subscribed already. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe as well. If you guys are a returning subscriber, hit the like button, and thanks for watching again, guys. And till next time, guys, peace out.